Hi guys, hope you're doing awesome. Today we will review the second part of the agency-focused video hosting and marketing platform, Viddle. Today I will explain why affiliate marketers should promote Viddle. If you haven't watched the first part of this video, I highly recommend you to go and watch it before continuing this video. Well, I welcome you to my YouTube channel, InFocus Reviews. If you are new here and is interested in knowing more about newly launched affiliate program reviews, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload the video. If you're an affiliate marketer and is planning to do affiliate marketing, then why should you promote Viddle? Because it is an all-in-one breakthrough multi-purpose video marketing technology at an affordable one-time price. 96% of marketers have placed ad spend on video. 95% of video marketers consider video as an important part of their marketing strategy. Launching on 31st May 2021 at 11 AM Eastern Time will give you enough time to prepare. Previous launches by the vendor have typically converted at $12 plus EPCs and even after 2 POTDs, guaranteed converter. Pre-launch webinars will convert 20% of the leads you spend at crazy EPCs. PCAS Suite pre-launch webinar converted at $90 plus earnings per attendee. $15,000 in minimum prices included for you. In 2021, we have already generated over $400,000 in sales, and big part of it has gone to the affiliates. The launch event is divided into 2 phases, and also there is a contest. One is the pre-launch. It starts on 29th May at 11 AM Eastern Time and ends on 31st May at 11 AM Eastern Time. In that they pay you 50 cents per lead. All links are hard coded. Live webinar will start on 31st May at 10 AM Eastern Time. They will retarget your leads heavily. And the second phase is launch. The cart opens at 31st May at 11 AM Eastern Time. The cart closes at 6th June at midnight Eastern Time. In that, they provide sales copies and VSLs written by an 8-figure copywriter. $15,000 in prize money. High-ticket upsells are included. Make up to $379 per click. The contest opens on 31st May at 11 AM Eastern Time and ends at 2nd June at 11 AM Eastern Time. The first prize is $3,000. Second prize is $2,000 and third place is $1,000. The fully tested funnel with huge conversions and sales are guaranteed. 50% commission across the whole funnel. The cost for the package is as follows. For personal, it is $47 one time, and for agency, it is $67 one time. And you can see there are other packages for Viddle. This as shown. Now we will compare the different features of each package. Now for Viddle Personal, the features include video creation, hosting and management, 20 video hosting, ultra fast virtual reality 360-degree video player, import videos from YouTube or Vimeo, screencast video recording with screen, audio and camera recording simultaneously, picture-in-picture mode recording mode, webcam video recording. Now come to the Viddle agency. Set up 100 client accounts, video creation, hosting and management, unlimited video hosting, ultra fast virtual reality 360-degree video player, input videos from YouTube, Vimeo, screencast video recording, picture-in-picture mode recording mode, webcam video and audio recording, and call to action videos, monetize channel with video ads and earn per view, 7 theme colors, advanced deep analytics to boost profit. Now Viddle Unlimited. Unlimited storage, unlimited clients, unlimited profit potential, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited video recording, import unlimited videos from YouTube or Vimeo, create unlimited video channels, unlimited video playlists, all future updates included, 24/7 support. Now Viddle Professional. Advanced video access settings, advanced playlist access settings, advanced video analytics, domain embedded control, demographic control, promote Viddle and keep 100% of future earnings per sale. Now with the Viddle Agency White Label, Advanced Agency Technology. Advanced White Label Technology, add team members, grow your agency bigger and bigger. Professional Design Website, done for you marketing agency, website and custom graphics. Deluxe Agency Scaling Materials. Now Viddle Drive. It includes unlimited storage, unlimited clients, and that's reserved for agencies only. Store and host unlimited websites, pages, images, videos, PowerPoint, ebook, PDF, audios. Unlimited bandwidth plus ultra fast file delivery. Encrypted storage, built-in video player. Global sharing files and folders option. Multi-file uploader with progress. File preview. Drag and drop file management. Trash recovery. Email notification once file/folder is uploaded. Built-in URL shortener included. Built-in watermarking system for your videos. Download an entire folder as a zip file. File sorting by file name. File size, date uploaded, latest access, total downloads. Detailed file statistics. Files secured in multiple locations. Social media sharing and unique URL generation. Files and folder password protection. Now, Funnel View Viddle Edition. It includes 50 sites, 100,000 visitors per month, unlimited funnels and unlimited pages. Now let's discuss some of the affiliate terms and conditions, what all the affiliates are supposed to follow. Please carefully read the rules before joining this program. You agree that you are not allowed to use the following promotional methods if approved for this affiliate program. Doing so may result in you being terminated from the affiliate program and forfeiting any outstanding commissions. 1. Don't send spam or using safe list of any kind. Cash rebates, cashback, gift cards or physical product incentives etc. to people who buy through your affiliate link are not permitted. Using negative words such as scam in any promotional campaign is not allowed. 4. Don't mispresent our product or offer. 5. Affiliates cannot create social media pages with the product name or brand name. Anyone found using the brand name, website or product images on their Facebook fan page or other social media platforms promote the product without permission will be banned immediately. You cannot earn commissions from your own purchase. 7. Vendor reserves the right to terminate if you are found to be breaking any rules and using black hat marketing practices to drive sales for any other reason. Also, always adhere to these FCC guidelines when promoting our product and services. Please check the link below. Well, that's all about Viddle. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please give some love in the form of likes and comments. We will meet in another review of another affiliate program soon. Wishing you all the best and have a great day.